Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the most fundamental communication tool on board, the VHF radio. VHF stands for Very High Frequency. The VHF radio operates on specific frequency bands, typically 156 to 162 MHz, allocated for maritime communications. It uses line-of-sight propagation, meaning its range is generally limited to the visible horizon, typically around 20 to 30 nautical miles, depending on antenna height. The primary role of the VHF radio is short-range voice communication. This is critical for collision avoidance, allowing bridge teams to directly communicate with other vessels to confirm intentions and agree on passing arrangements, especially in congested waters or restricted visibility. It's the primary means for port operations, communicating with pilot stations, tugboats, linesmen, and vessel traffic services (VTS) for berthing, unberthing, and transit information. The VHF also plays a vital role in safety and distress calls. Channel 16 is the international calling and distress frequency, continuously monitored worldwide. In an emergency, a Mayday or Pan-Pan call can be broadcast, alerting nearby vessels and rescue coordination centers. Operating a VHF radio effectively is a core skill for any watchkeeping officer. The most basic operation involves selecting the correct channel. Channel 16 is for initial contact and distress, while working channels like 6, 8, 10, 13, 68, 71, 72, 73, 74 are used for routine communications after establishing contact on 16. Navigators must understand and use standard maritime communication phrases and procedures, e.g., "This is vessel name," "Over," "Out," "Stand by," "Roger," to ensure clarity and avoid misunderstandings. They adjust squelch to eliminate background noise and volume for clear reception. For DSC, operating involves programming the ship's MMSI number, Maritime Mobile Service Identity, and understanding how to initiate distress calls, individual calls, and group calls. Navigators also routinely monitor designated channels for safety broadcasts, like Navtex information rebroadcasts and general traffic. The VHF antenna, typically a vertical whip, must be located as high as possible on the mast with an unobstructed view to maximize its range. It needs to be regularly inspected for physical damage, corrosion, or kinks in the coax cable. The power supply to the VHF radio must be stable and reliable, often with a dedicated battery backup for emergency use. The loudspeaker and microphone should be tested for clear audio. Importantly, the DSC functionality, including the distress button and alarm, should be periodically tested according to GMDSS regulations, usually by conducting a test call to a shore station, if available, or an internal test function. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more maritime insights. Thank you.